pricing. You may or may not have seen that. I guess I'm reaching a limit here. I got a warning on the camera. So anyway, yeah, pictures, drawings, solution finish. That's what you need to, put on your plastics after you thoroughly clean them. Here's the rear rudder plate. I make diagrams. I do drawings. This whole thing with the ropes and all that. I can handle all that. I learn as I go, and I'm just have a very high mechanical aptitude. I could tell you a story or two about that. Here's just a bolt, but man, I am all about the details, right? I'm probably a little OCD, ADD, ADHD. I'm left-handed and dyslexic. I say the wrong words all the time. It happens. Here's the cart. Here's Top Kayaker. Here's the information you need about Top Kayaker. That's me. That's my client. That is stuff. That's where I live. Probably should edit that out. Probably edit that out. I think take 5. So I think that if you want any information on Top Kayaker, this would be the place to get your information. Again, Tom is absolutely amazing, and that's all you need to know about that. More notes. It ended up being a lot of work, a lot of notes, but I do thank you for being along the ride with me. And this thing's wrapped up. I'm going to go back to mostly cars, but I do a lot of motorcycles. I do a lot of boats. I'm kind of a jack of all trades. I've got some mechanical aptability as far as, brake pads, oil changes, switching out wheels. I've got, probably $15,000, $20,000 worth of equipment in my home shop. But, yup, I'm about to go big time and have the most beautiful detailing studio I've ever seen in my life. And it's real close to my house, and I am taking it over. Hope about January 4th. So stay with me, because we're going to make amazing stuff out of that studio, because we've got such a big amount of space, and we'll be able to have a whole film section studio area. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for being with me. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful as always. And until next time, I'll see you on the flip side. Hey, today you got an actual flip side. Thanks. Subscribe, like, share.